Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something amazing: why excitement feels like energy flowing through your body. That buzz before a big moment, the rush when something thrilling is about to happen, it's more than emotion. It's your brain and body firing together. Imagine this: you're about to step on stage, open a long-awaited letter, or start a new adventure. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and a tingling sensation spreads through your chest and limbs. That's your brain activating your dopamine system, the reward center. Every anticipation, every possibility, floods you with a chemical rush that feels electric, but there's more. Your autonomic nervous system kicks in. Adrenaline spikes. Blood flows faster, senses sharpen, muscles get ready. Your body is literally preparing to move, respond, and engage. That flowing energy? It's your body in action mode. Here's the wild part: excitement also quiets certain parts of your brain that control hesitation. Your prefrontal cortex relaxes slightly, letting spontaneity and curiosity take over. That's why excitement feels freeing, almost unstoppable. It lowers your filters and heightens your awareness. Even cooler, excitement links with memory. Your hippocampus tags thrilling moments as important. That's why big experiences stick with you. Your brain is saying, remember this. It matters. That energy you feel becomes a memory that shapes how you approach life next time. So next time you feel that rush of excitement, remember, it's not just your imagination. Your brain and body are working in harmony: dopamine, adrenaline, and heightened senses all combining to make life feel electric. If this video helped you understand why excitement feels like energy flowing through you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the most exciting moment you've ever experienced? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, that buzz isn't just feeling, it's your brain and body alive, firing, and ready.